646 and the sky's on fire. Soft gold lifting from the sea. Night still warm from a summer's side. 19 degrees underneath a breeze. Rainbow resting on Genoa Peak. Western hills and quiet light. Seabirds calling across the town. Morning breaking white. Windows blowing, rooftops shine. Smoke trails rising thin and slow. You can feel it in your chest tonight. Soft and letting go. Autumn sunrise over Gabo, burning bright and letting me know this is where my heart will stay. Light breaking into day. Rainbow high on Genoa's line. Go to there and it feels like mine. From the shore to the open sea this morning sets me free. Sets me free. Water shining like hammered gold. Clouds stretched wide across the bay. Rain is coming, well so we're told, but not today. 23 when the daylight grows. Loud wind moving through the trees. Summer lingers before it blows, breathing through the breeze. Seabirds crying above the roofs, echoing through the air. Today, rainbow high on Genoa's line. West is sky and fire and shine. From the inlet calm to the sea this morning sets me free. Sets me free. Oh, not goodbye, just a change in summer fading out of sight. Still the warmth is holding on, holding on. First new breath of a turning year. Feel it close and feel it near. Everything I need is here, right here. Autumn sun